Hey there, welcome back. This is where things start getting really interesting. Before we teach your pet anything, we need to understand how they think. Because here's the truth, your pet is not being stubborn, they are not trying to annoy you, they are simply behaving the way their brain is wired. And once you understand that, training becomes 10 times easier. Let me ask you something. Do you have a dog or a cat, or maybe both? Awesome, because they are very different, and if you train them the same way, you'll get frustrated very fast. Let's start with dogs. Dogs are naturally social animals. They come from pack behavior, which means they look for leadership. They want to please you. They respond really well to structure and consistency. So, when your dog listens to you, it's not just training, it's their instinct to follow a leader they trust. That's why things like commands, routines, and rewards work so well with dogs. Now let's talk about cats. Cats are a completely different story. Cats are more independent by nature. They don't see you as a leader in the same way dogs do. Instead, they respond to benefit. They ask, "What's in it for me?" They prefer choice over control. So if a cat ignores you, it's not disobedience, it's decision making. And that's the key shift. You don't command cats, you influence them. Now, here's something super important. Both dogs and cats learn through association. That means good behavior, reward, they repeat it. Bad experience, avoid, they stop it. It's that simple. So instead of thinking, why is my pet doing this? Start thinking, what is my pet learning from this situation? Let's make this practical for you. Quick activity. Right now or after this video, observe your pet again. Ask yourself, what motivates them more? Food, attention, or play? Do they respond better to excitement or calm energy? When do they ignore you the most? This is gold because once you know what drives your pet, you unlock the ability to train them effectively. And here's a mindset shift. I want you to remember throughout this course, don't try to control your pet, learn to communicate with them. That's what great trainers do differently. And in the next lecture, we'll go even deeper into how pets actually learn, and I'll show you the exact system professionals use to train any behavior. So stick with me, give your pet a little pat from me, and I'll see you in the next lecture.